Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the exact creation context, project, folder, or asset ID where the fmove will act. Once that is set, enable the fmove flag either in settings or by adding fmove equals true to your create command. Make sure you have right permissions and enough storage before proceeding. Without those, the move will fail. Now execute a targeted create for a single asset to validate behavior and watch logs for immediate errors or confirmations. You run the create command including fmove, and if available, add preview to see plan changes without committing. As the process runs, monitor output for the source path, destination path, and status codes. These tell you what moved and why. If the system reports conflicts, decide immediately to use overwrite or append a version suffix to preserve both copies. Once satisfied with the preview, rerun without preview to commit. Logs will show final success entries and move durations. Finalize by validating integrity. Compare checksums, sizes, and metadata to ensure the created object reflects the moved source. If validation fails, roll back using a snapshot or the undo command immediately to return to the prior state. Make sure to free any locks and rerun the operation after fixing root causes. If things go wrong, check permissions first and then transient network errors. Those are the most common culprits. If needed, retry with smaller batches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.